Guys, this is that 1982 K5 Blazer. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1982 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, and it is just amazing. It was done by Hills Hot Rods out of Lubbock, Texas, and they did just an amazing job on this. The engine bay, it's just a work of art. It's got the 6-liter PRC Stage 2 cam. It's got your Trimix 6-speed. That's going into a 10-bolt rear end with 456 gears, and if you just look at it, it is just sitting the right way. It's got a full custom leather interior, everything that you want. Kenwood for the speaker system and your actual subsystem as well. It is really amazing. Everything on this is just a work of art. The undercarriage, the exterior, the panels, the interior, the stereo system, the engine. I mean, this thing is just ready to go. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is that 1982 K5 Blazer, and you can just see, look at this paint. It is in great shape. Windshield is in great shape. Does not have windshield wipers. It's been smoothed out. Top is all in great shape. Just all the way through. You can even see all the window seals, the glass, all just really good shape. That's what I like to see with this. This one was done by Hills Hot Rod. They did a great job. They do a lot of square bodies. This is one that they did, and they just did an outstanding job on it. So it is Arizona. There are a few little small rock chips in there, but no big cracks whatsoever. See, look at that paint. Just beautiful. It's hard to find any real big imperfections to point out. It does have 4,000 miles on it, so there are probably a few just here and there, but most of this is literally just kind of some dirt in there. But you can see just really straight, all metal, race line wheels, and I don't see any type of curb rash with those. Those are all in really good shape as well. Wheel wood, those are the 6 pistons. That's a 245 40/20 there on the front, and the tread is all in great shape on that as well. DOT, those are from 20, but even just down here you can tell, I mean, done the right way. I like this nice little subtle stripe. It really just kind of brings the pop out in it. And then here in the back, a little bit bigger tire for here in the back. This is a 295 40/20 race line. Looks like there's a little bit on there, maybe from getting the tire on. Got 4 piston in the rear, slotted in drilled rotors. Sounds great. Nice cam, heads, Hills Hot Rods. I'm just look at it. All the chrome, all the trim in really, really good shape. All the window seals and windows. I don't see any type of curb rash on this one. All matching tires other than obviously the stagger. But you can see, look at that. Just the way that you want your Blazer. And it's got a little one right there, but nothing crazy. Tires again, all in really, really good shape. All that front bumper's in really good shape. We'll get into the interior here in a minute. Let's get the hood. Fitment's nice and tight as well. But that's what I like to see. I mean, just look at it. It shows so well. All the wires are nice and tucked. Also, you do have for your hydro boost system. Let's see, the frame's all been powder coated. You'll be able to see the undercarriage at the end of this video. Big mouth, Poly EFI, shorty headers, big radiator. So there's a little bit of just kind of dust right there, just a little bit. You can see it just shows so well. They did a really, really good job on this engine, on the engine bay. That shuts nice. All the fitment on that is actually really, really good shape. Now let's get into the interior. So I really like how they did everything in here with the interior, how they kept the original style steering wheel and they just wrapped it to match. Dakota Digital gauges. It's got an awesome Kenwood system. I'll show you here too. Suede on the headliner, and then they brought that in also to right, even just down in there, just the little touches that they did with it. All the locks work like they should. Power windows, got a factory tint on there, a little bit of blue, I like it, really goes. And then there we go. Really nice, so they aren't taking up any space. It looks really good. It sounds really good. That just goes in like that. And let's go over to the passenger side. Show you this, and again, it's just the detail. It's so nice. Windows up and down, just like it should. So it looks like, oh, so we finally found something. So it looks like this lock is not working. I don't think it has to be closed, but yep, so that lock is not working. It does lock, it's just not working with the power locks. Everything matches, like how they carried everything through. You got your 6.5s here in the rear, and then your 4s up here in the kick panel. Dash is all in great shape. Everything is nice and matching with that. Again, fitment's all in great shape. Now, let's get into the test drive. This is the fun part. Click your ticket. I like how they did put the e-brake here. Oh yeah. Cams, it's not mild and it's not wild, but it's right there in between where you got to give it just enough gas to be able to have it go the way that you want it to without it kind of stalling out. All the turn signals work, and it's actually both of them in the gauges and down here. Just set up really, really nice. And of course, it's not been sticking lately, so let's go for the ride. That's definitely in the 500 horsepower range. It moves out really well. The gearing's set up really well in it, and just all the windows, they're just in such good shape. It's just like new. So that's what I really like about this. You can fully enjoy it. You can drive it. You can take it out. You can show it. It's got AC. It's got heat. It's got a killer system in there. Yeah, it moves. So if you want something that looks good, it's fast, it's a show car, this is definitely it. You know, obviously it's got great paint on it, all the engine work, everything with it is in really good shape. That's what I really like about this one. If you're looking for this or any other one, remember to go on classiccaraddict.com. We have more than 300 photos. We have online financing and nationwide transport. See you guys on the next one. All right, guys, we are getting under the undercarriage on this 1982 K5 Blazer. You have Scott's tubular upper and lower control arms. You also do have adjustable coilovers, huge 14-inch 6-piston wheelwood brakes. You do have an upgraded rack, and then this 6.0 liter was built by Texas Speed, and you got PCR for your heads. Those are a stage 2, JRA, custom shorty headers running into your Flowmaster exhaust. You have a Tremec 6-speed, and then going back in here to your rear end, you got 456 gears on this. This is your 10-volt new gas tank, and then you can see also you have a 4-link that is set up the right way, along with your large 6-piston 14-inch Willwood brakes. This thing is just a monster for what it is. All the undercarriage is in great shape. This thing runs out so well, as you just saw in the test drive. This thing's ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com.